Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have NESCAFÉ Gold Ice Cappuccino Original. So here we go. Right from the start I can say that this packaging is absolutely amazing. I mean, look at these small patterns and details they have added here. And this reflective cover on the packets. It's so nice. It's like silver, gold, and look at the small Nescafé logo. It's like shining. When you see this, you know the product is high quality. Here's the nutrients. Kind of a lot of sugar, 57 grams per 100. But I think that's only the powder. When you put it with the water, it's gonna be less, of course. Here's the numbers if you wanna talk to Nestle. You can call them and say, hey, your coffee sucked. And here's the guide how to make it. So you just put the powder, cold water, 200 ml, and stir it, and then you add ice. So yeah, that's everything we need. Let's open it up. So it comes with how many? Seven cappuccinos. So let's take one and pour it into the cup. They also put guide here in case you lose the packaging, so that's good. Empty. Oh, look at this. Smells like cappuccino. And how much is 200 ml? I have no idea. I guess that's about it. Or is it too much? I don't know. And that's 20 seconds. So now it's time to add the ice. And we of course have this Nescafé ice thing that we got before from buying this. How many? 1, 2, 4 ice cubes. I think that's good amount. Let's give it one more stir. By the way, look at this foam. That's really nice. And now it's time to taste the cappuccino. It's time for the truth. Let's see if NESCAFÉ Gold Ice Cappuccino tastes any good. So here we have it. Nice cold frosty cappuccino. Smells like classic Nescafé instant coffee. But look at this foam. So much foam. Nice. Let's take a sip. Nice and refreshing. And the first note, it's not so sweet. The salted caramel one was much more sweet. This one is okay levels. I like this. The combination of this foam and then the cappuccino coming afterwards, it's creating Starbucks experience. How did they make this foam? It's really nice. I think I put a little bit too much water. That wasn't 200 ml because coffee flavor has a little bit withered down. But let's not mind that now. It still tastes super good, even with a little bit more water. It's just a little bit less strong cappuccino. The foam is the best part of this coffee. Like when you drink the foam, it's creating this really milky experience in your mouth. I really like it. And together with cappuccino, that's so good. How much is sugar here? I don't taste any sweetness here. It says 57 grams of sugar, but it doesn't taste sugar at all. Maybe it's sugar from milk or something like that. Let's see what they have ingredients. So sugar is 34% sugar, it says here on the ingredients. And that's really a lot. And you can't taste the sugar here for some reason. Then it's milk 10% and coffee 10%. No, milk is actually 30%, so coffee 10%. Huh. This is really good on a hot day. Like you're going outside, coming from outside, you drink some Nescafe instant iced coffee and you feel refreshed. Look at the foam it left on the cup, like so much foam. I'm gonna take all the foam because it was so good. No, it's not as good as the iced salted caramel latte or this frappe one. This frappe one was much better in my opinion. But still, it's overall solid instant iced coffee. Maybe one of the best in the markets, but not the best from Nestle in my opinion. If you like a little bit less sweet coffee, it is good for you. But if you want more sweetness, go get the salted caramel or the latte ones. Those are maybe better for you. But still, this is solid. I think I give it 8.5 out of 10. Like the best part about this foam. But still, I think the flavor of cappuccino is not as good as other Nescafés for some reason. The other Nescafés are much better in the actual coffee flavor, but this one a little bit bland. But maybe it's because I put too much water, maybe not, I don't know. But still, 8.5 out of me. Comment below if you tasted this before and did you like it or not. And subscribe, like the video, and see you guys in the next consumer goods review. Thanks for watching.